Leo, this is your channel messages for the 22nd to, let's put it to the 25th of July. Leo, your channel cards are the Three of Cups, which is heartbreak, pain, or three people involved in a situation. This could be something about a shrine, a triangle, or a union. All right, we also have camera. We have MK Ultra. I'm not sure if you can see it, Leo. Right, so I'm also getting something about pictures, something being, I'm getting, first of all, be careful or watch out for AI generated videos or pictures. I'm getting, you're going to see something, or you might see a picture of yourself or a video of yourself doing something, saying something, or you're saying, I never said that. Who said that? Who said that? I'm getting, I never said that. I'm getting something is manipulated, MK Ultra. Now, this could be somebody wanted to copy a med, so they made sure that they caught what they needed to catch on fucking camera. Now, Leo, before I jump into your reading, because Leo is about the sun, and if you have any significant Leo placements in your birth chart, chances are you're very boasty. Boasty. Niggas trying to jump me. Boasty, all right? So, I have the files. I have the files. I know it's being said on the streets, regardless if it's the debate as to how many men has passed through my, or if it's the debate when it comes on to why she don't wear new clothes. You're busy about clothes. You're talking about clothes. Let me get files for the courtroom right now, because somebody never did them research before them decide to come for the so-called crocodile teeth. Everything get fucked when I reach. Leo, we did many forms of this already, and we're going to do it again, because right now it's a Leo season. When it's gonna be my time to shine, now I'm in my prime. When it's gonna be a little time for me, become a full of versatility. Leo, I messed that up, sorry. There we go. Just cut it and paste it. Talking about my clothes, talking about my weight. Yeah, talk about how much man me take. Leo. Leo, really, bitch? That's the most you could do with my name? Leo, let me tell you something. Scarborough. Back at the class, man, I no subject. She pop the Malia, but she not come yet. You want money at the subject. You want money at the subject. Sweet out, I fall. PDF file ready. Punches in the hand. Don't checking on the counter, make the soul upset. No, done said. Me not a subject. And pop the Malia, but me no come yet. You want money at the subject. You want money at the subject. I'm gonna talk about my clothes. How are these? They must scream out, Father, Hada, Dava. Big up Las Vegas, Nevada. Don't check in at the counter, make the skull upset. No, done said. Back at the class, banana sub. We don't have no subjects. None. Upset. Yo, I'm money at the subject. Yo, this educational segment was sponsored by Valiant. Okay, so Leo, you're the sun. You should know, regardless of what you end up excelling in this lifetime, Leo, that's what you're supposed to be boasting on. So if you like your car, you boast with your car. You like your shoes? You boast with your shoes. Shouldn't put this on me. You like your nails? You boast with your nails. You like your newborn baby? You boast with that. You like your new man? You boast with him. You like your education? You boast with it. But Leo, you should know, some people boasting with clothes and jewelry doesn't make their boast bigger of other people who are boasting about the talents that they can use naturally from the sun to make money, to buy these so-called clothes and jewelry. So Leo, let's go ahead and go into your reading. So again, your messages, MK Ultra, 3 of Cups, and Camera. Okay? See what's in your reading, Leo. No, don't say it. Back at the class banana subject. Bumper class, rough sex, pop the money up, bumming not come yet. Let's go. Leo. First card out, we have the 4 of Cups. I'm getting you saying no, you don't want it, or something is making you feel very insecure. We have the 2 of Swords. I'm getting you can't predict something. Maybe you never saw something coming. Your channel message is the 3 of Cups. The 3 of Cups leads to the 4 of Cups. You're getting you saying you don't want it. Maybe you were supposed to make a choice, and because you didn't know what to choose, you didn't choose any. We have the Sun card. Hi, Leo. But you're happy. Are you happy? I'm getting something about your happiness. Me get at, okay, this could be at first when you made a choice, whatever choice this is. Could be between people, between opportunities. Me getting, I feel like you just say, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. And anyone that did end on meany, basically you just say you'll go with that. And when you open your eyes and you saw what you chose, covering your eyes, the 2 of Swords. Me getting at first you said, I made a stupid, irrational decision. That was very, that I should have, me getting you saying a very important decision you needed to make. You choose it very irrationally. Me getting you happy. Something is making you happy. You're happy. Now the 4 of Cups, 2 of Swords, the Sun card can also be babies, Leo. Babies, you don't want babies? Getting something about your mind is not changing, about you don't. The 4 of Cups is no, the 2 of Swords, you don't want, you don't know if you want kids. Do you want kids? You have to ask yourself, you want kids? You want the kids to come from you? You want the kids to come from somewhere else? Do you have resources for kids? And worse, you're a person, no offense, but if you don't have animals, then chances are you don't know about responsibility taking care of another life. It takes a lot of time. So I'm not sure. Maybe you're saying you don't know. Maybe you're saying you don't know if you have a lot of time for even consider having kids. We have the Emperor. Yeah. Now the Emperor, yes, you're older. Okay, first of all, you can't, sir, you look like you can't have kids when you're 73. You say your body tired. You say, oh, I don't feel like when I was young. That's fine. You still have in it. Now you want a kid. Okay, so this could be, you want a kid, Leo the Emperor. The Emperor's duty, the honor of the Emperor is to pass on a firstborn. Whether the Emperor is out fighting war or him out meeting comrades, whether he's meeting Bill Blair or him meeting Mark Carney, right? It could be Justin Trudeau, we don't know, right? You just need to know in your head that you have a generation that you have created. Because yes, okay, some men stay bachelors all their life. But me, I've known men who did 40, 50 years old, them never ever had kids. And of course, them probably would have dated younger, or them would have already been in relationships with people them age, but them never really wanted kids. I don't know if at the end of your life you're saying, well, what am I going to do? You're going, and if you, okay, maybe you're saying when my can't work anymore, that's the time I can distract her with kids. I don't know if that's what you're saying. You're saying you're too old. You're not too old. You're the Emperor. You could be very mature. Maybe it's your health. Thankfully, you don't carry the baby. Just saying. Yeah, the Chariot. Do you have time? Because you rush, you're always up on a go. The Chariot could also be a police officer or something. But it's Bill Blair. Bill Blair born the 9th of April. That's Bill Blair, is a police officer. I told you, it's him. It's in afternoon, Bill Blair. It's July. Am I supposed to be expecting any Halloween or Thanksgiving season's greetings, or I have to wait until December again to get? I have to wait on this. Mr. Blair. I have to wait on December again to get one. And I wait on one on December. So make me don't send on December in my mailbox. Make me don't send on. I wait on the other one. I have to wait till December. I thought it was a potato. Do you have time? Because I'm getting here always. I come and I go. Will that the right to please me? I'm not here for long. Catch me or I go. Houdini, me getting you always on the go. But again, maybe it's very special for you to have a kid. No, I will always hear people talk about I want a son, I want a son. Suppose your wife have a girl. You don't like her no more. Let's go one more time. We have the Hangman. We have the Hierophant. We have the Five of Pentacles. We have the Wheel of Fortune. And we also have the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, you always at work. You always working. You don't have time for that. I'm getting when you're not working, I'm getting even when you're not working, you talk about work. Maybe there's things you bring home and then you do things at your home and then you bring it back to work. Right? Worse if you're a Jewish man, it is kind of like required of you to have a child. Right? Now the Five of Pentacles with the Sun card can mean, okay, suppose you have a girl, like abandon her. Okay, yes, you have the baby. Wow. What about the woman who you had the baby with? Are you still attracted to she? She gained weight. She smell different. No, she have a baby. So, you know, usually when you used to wake up in the morning with her and whatever fresh scent or whatever weird scent, because, you know, men buy underwear, whatever weird scent you used to smell on her, she don't smell that way anymore. No, she have hormones inside of her. She smell different in the mornings. She more needy. So you're saying you want a kid. Okay, that's great. You want a kid. But you're still attracted to the woman who have the kid. Remember that change. Then you need a lot of time for raise the kid. So who going to raise the kid? Because me seeing like the kid being neglected anyways. I see a video of one woman, the baby at 3 months, she put the baby in a daycare. What a wicked blood clot woman. Wicked. Wicked, I don't know if she have a man. And chances are she was a single mother. Because so much single mothers out there. Where's the men? Are they duplicating baby mothers? So one man or two baby mother. And then the two baby mother them single. And then the one man I go back between she and she, or she talk him at block one, don't block the other, or him have a new girl to impregnate. You know them man there who have babies out there already, or them have baby mothers, and them say a nice young flat belly nice girl. And what they want to get her pregnant. She very fertile. Yeah, you want she to be a third fucking baby mother for selfish reasons. You're not take care of the kid. The kid neglected, especially emotionally. And chances are you should know whether you want to deny the child is yours or not. Or whether you want be in the child's life or not. The child intelligence come from you. The child is as smart as you. So, you need to know. You want a baby? Or you want my wife? Because it's very different when a man talk about kids. Him say he want one kid, or him say, you know what, I want a family. What him say? Him say him want a kid, or him say, you know I want me and you for raise a child. What him saying to you, you need to listen. Because I'm getting, there's no commitment here. Them a talk about baby before ring. And you dumbass hoe believe it. Them a talk about baby before them talk about ring. So them know why you get half of nothing, but them want to reproduce. Them want to talk about kids. Where you have to share half of one kid, half of the DNA is the father's, half is the mother's, but you don't want to share your money. You want in a prenup. What the people don't make albums anymore. I swear to fuck. So I don't know what this is. Let's get some more. And I don't see any women here. So I don't know if you're a man, you have male friends, all of them have kids. And chances are all of them was mistakes. Just like half of us on this planet are mistakes. Whether our mothers wanted us or not, whether we were taken by other mothers or not, half of we would never plan to be here. So now you see other man have kids and it make you feel insecure because you want big emperor man and you don't have kids. Kids don't make you a man. Kids don't make a woman a woman. Look how much kids can't have babies and infertile. Look how much women can't have kids and them infertile. Look how much women try to have kids and have how much miscarriage. And some women actually went through with abortions. And I hear men will say all the time, I will never get a vasectomy because if I do that, that means I'm not a man anymore. You'll hear men say that too. So I'm getting, yeah, look round. Yeah, look round, yo. I'm getting when you're alone, you don't think about kids. You think about kids when you see other kids. Or you think about kids when your man friend them come to you and say, yo, me and my baby mother, whether you look pretty or not. And you know your friend them. Even if them have kids and you feel pressured to have kids as a man, as a big man. Are they treating the kids right? They might treat the girl right, or are they fucking on them when you and them go to the bar? They might flirt with other women, but them have a girl at home. I take care of them kid. But you pressured to have kids, because you want emperor. The kid going to feel neglected anyways. And you're older. You can't look for commit to a kid before you commit to a woman. That cannot work. Wires not cross properly if that's what you're thinking. Because I'm getting your mindset is fuck the woman, I don't need the woman, I want one kid. Sir, you cannot do that. Is the kid going to be female? Or the kid are going to be a male? Where you get the kid from? A surrogate? Where you do? You don't even, you see? You start off wrong. You're not, God never, the Bible never tell you to go for the kid before you go for the wife. You have to go for the wife first. Because she play a vital role with the kid. You can't omit the kid. You can't omit the wife, sorry. Even with lesbian couples or gay couples, there's two of them. Two of them have a child. You're saying, fuck the woman, I don't need the woman, or a kid would make me happy. Sir, that is what every bitch ever tell themselves in a Hollywood. So you may have moon in Leo. Because Leo rules other people's children, remember. So you're older than other kids. You have an uncle, you have a godfather, you have people around you who have kids, yes. Leo rules other people's children. Leo don't rule them own. That means you can babysit them, can drop off, you can meet them, play with them, but them not sleep there, you not clean up after them, you not change your diapers. So if you feel guilty that you have a significant Leo placement, maybe you're old and you want to achieve a different dream. And you say, you know, I'm actually want to start a business in 5 years. Can I afford a kid? Can I spend time with a kid? I'm a girl not there here, so what you gonna do? Leave the kid with a nanny. You can't skip past the girl, Brody. I remade my cards. I want you to know that. And then education. Remember education. Education. We have what? Chanting and spells. The kid have to go through school. We have Scorpio. We have Virgo. We have Ophiuchus. We have Taurus. And we also have Love at First Sight. Love at First Sight when she see me last night. Hey. I can't get over him, and him can't get over me. And we're done. I will make you wine up on me. So, boy, fall in love. Man, we take a trip down to Barbados. Fall in love. Can you pretend like have me calling back? I'm going to leave it here, Leo. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.